What's up? Victor Newcomb here, and I'm here to walk y'all through my creative setup for my class. And my class is at FullSail University. I'm doing it online, and it's the psychology of play. What we have to go through is a quest, okay, and I'll have that up right here. And I'm choosing quest 1 and quest 3. The quest 3 is about a mentor, and that'll be another video that I do. But this one's gonna be quest 1, which is showing your creative setup, or setting up a creative setup where it shows your personality and who you are and where you can create and be different. And so what we're gonna do is show y'all around this little setup that I got. This is all basically handmade stuff that I've put together that I like personally. It's basically my whole personality. And yeah, so let's get to it. Starting off, as you can see, it is very dirty. So since this is already created and everything, what we're gonna do is put it on a hyperlapse and clean it all up, making sure it looks really good. My little alien octopus and my little alien starfish in there been growing in my pickle jars. Let's see, as you can tell, I love Pokemon, Squirtle in particular. Squirtle, Pikachu. These are some of my condiments that I like. Love Japanese food. Love it. Absolutely my #1 favorite food. I got some accessories back here. Boxes for accessories. Controller cord. A bag full of random stuff. Batteries and stuff. My drawing book. Some Vienna wieners. We got all of that stuff down there. We got our light right here to light stuff up. Just little stuff. I got this signed. This stuff signed at an Apex Legends tournament. Right here, Demon Slayer. My wife's drawing me this right here. I love it. Next LAN tournament I go to anywhere, I'm going to be getting this one signed. Just like I got this Pokemon one signed. My wife also has drawn. Right here, it's by basically a bunch of the Apex community, which was very awesome. We got a puzzle that we put together. My little knickknacks that I could put stuff together, which we got to change these batteries right there. We got some more Demon Slayer there. We got our stacks of stuff. Mr. Groot right there. So yeah, got me a purple controller on that. Fix up all this stuff. You see how dirty this stuff is? This stuff is just not clean at all. So we got to get it all back in order. And also, we're going to be doing a review room, and I'm going to be painting that and really kind of getting it in order and stuff like that. So we're going to put everything on a hyperlapse, get it all started up. So y'all just sit back, relax, and let's get started. Also, before we keep on with this hyperlapse, I want to stop and let y'all know these boards going around, it's not just to hang stuff up or anything. I'm going to be building a loft over top of this right here. It's going to come out to about right here where my knee is, if you can see, right in this area. And it's going to go up to that height, so then my kids and my wife, they can get up there and watch stuff and everything. But I'm going to build my own little place that I'll be able to go in here, edit my videos, just do my own content creation, whatever I need to do, and have my own personal little space. So yeah. What's up? Okay, now we got this all cleaned up. I'm gonna wipe off this little bitty table right here, and then let's flip y'all around. Show y'all real fast before we get to the and then. Everything's clean now. No dirty mess, nothing like that. Things wiped off. Nice. This is where I'll be doing all my creations. DaVinci Resolve, Film 4th, all my gaming right here. There's Zoom meetings for y'all. There's some VR chat. Anybody want to get on the VR? My games. Yeah, so now the and then is this right here. This little area right here is going to be, as you can see, it is a mess. We're gonna get this all painted black right here in this little cubby. And then, okay, well, I thought I was gonna be painting it black today. I might not be able to because this is very old paint that has dried up, and it's just, it ain't gonna work. That's the truth. I have some other kind of paint in there, so I might dump that in here and see if that will work, and we'll just do a different color for now, and then come back and do the black. I'm not sure because I want an all black backdrop. Makes for better reviews and just whatever. So yeah, this is gonna be concluding this video. There will be more videos on that's coming up that will be fixing all of this stuff. I did get to show you my creative place. I love it. And yeah, so thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.